Imagine you're standing at a crossroads. One path leads to PayPal, a well-trodden route familiar to many online shoppers. The other leads to Paysafe, a less traveled path, but one that promises unique benefits. Question: which one is the better choice for you? Today, we're going to dive deep into the world of online payment processors, comparing and contrasting PayPal and Paysafe. We'll explore their fees, features, security, and overall user experience. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's understand why this comparison matters. In today's digital age, online transactions have become an integral part of our lives. Whether you're buying a new gadget, booking a flight, or simply paying your bills, you need a reliable payment processor. PayPal, the old reliable. PayPal has been around for decades, and it's no surprise why it's so popular. It offers a simple, straightforward interface, making it easy for even the most tech-challenged individuals to use. Plus, it's widely accepted by merchants worldwide. Pros: easy to use. Widely accepted. Offers a variety of features, including buyer protection. Cons: can have high fees for international transactions. Customer support can be slow at times. Paysafe, the underdog. Paysafe, on the other hand, might be less familiar to some. However, it offers a unique set of features that could make it a compelling choice for certain users. Pros: often offers lower fees compared to PayPal. Provides a wide range of payment methods, including prepaid cards and e-wallets. Strong focus on security and compliance. Cons: may not be as widely accepted as PayPal. User interface can be less intuitive for some. Comparing fees. One of the most important factors to consider when choosing a payment processor is the fees involved. Let's break down the fees charged by PayPal and Paysafe. Transaction fees. Both PayPal and Paysafe charge transaction fees, but the exact rates can vary depending on factors such as the currency used and the type of transaction. Currency conversion fees. If you're making international payments, both PayPal and Paysafe will charge currency conversion fees. Monthly or annual fees. Some payment processors charge monthly or annual fees, but both PayPal and Paysafe are generally free to use. Insert a visual comparison of fees, such as a table or chart. Comparing features. Beyond fees, it's also important to consider the features offered by each payment processor. Here's a breakdown of some key features. Buyer protection. Both PayPal and Paysafe offer buyer protection programs to safeguard your purchases. Payment methods. PayPal offers a wide range of payment methods, including credit cards, debit cards, and bank accounts. Paysafe also offers a variety of payment methods, including prepaid cards and e-wallets. Security. Both PayPal and Paysafe have strong security measures in place to protect your personal and financial information. Comparing user experience. The user experience is another important factor to consider. Both PayPal and Paysafe have user-friendly interfaces, but some users may find one platform easier to navigate than the other. So, which payment processor is better? The answer depends on your individual needs and preferences. If you're looking for a simple, widely accepted option, PayPal might be the right choice for you. However, if you're looking for lower fees and a wider range of payment methods, Paysafe could be a better fit. Have you used PayPal or Paysafe before? What are your experiences? Share your thoughts in the comments below. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.